This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Phyllis Scarberry. Fabulous updated single-family home located in the Grove section of Savannah. Open and bright, split floor plan and covered enclosed patio. Foyer entry, neutral tile flooring in main living areas, both bathrooms completely remodeled. Kitchen features, granite counters, pantry, snack counter and separate dining area. Newer AC and water heater. Main bedroom with access to the patio area has a custom walk-in closet, linen closet, new pebble rock shower, seamless glass enclosure and granite vanity. Conveniently located, within walking distance to GATOR Run Elementary, resort-style amenities that include 3 pools, water slide, soccer/basketball, club room, cafe, mini golf and playground. Original owners have maintained this home impeccably. For more information, review the details below.